Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. This is your worksheet for today. Everyone start doing it.
Okay, sir.
After doing every question, post your answer in the group. It is on the chapters. I told you yesterday, day before yesterday, that you will have revision of two chapters today, area and perimeter, first one, and second one, volume. So it is based on both the chapters. I will give you more questions once you have done all these. So after every question, after completing every question, you will post your answer in the group. Okay, all of
Thanks,
you.
sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Start doing. Keep your videos on. Iram, Samrid, Mudit, Jayesh, Pratishtha,
So please wait. I'm opening my camera in just 2 minutes.
Noel, Shaurya and Apurva, Anshuman, Gunagya. Start your video. Keep it on throughout the class. I will give you marks on this revision, class performance, subject enrichment on the basis of your performance in the class, whether you listen to the teachers or not. If the teachers ask you to
My
keep your
copy.
video
So,
on,
sir,
whether
I
you
have
keep
to
it on
take
or
new
not.
copy. So, sir, can I?
So now can you able to see me?
Sir, I cannot open my video,
Yes,
sir, because
Samrid.
my net in this month is very. Sir,
It is about to
Can I
get
close
over.
my camera for 2 minutes?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
Varun. Keep it on, everyone. Mudit, Pratishtha, Jayesh, any doubt?
No, sir. No.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Yes, beta.
have you asked me to unmute?
No, no, it was by mistake.
Okay, sir.
Yes, all of you keep posting your answers. I'm checking your answers. Okay.
Sir, can I post first one or I have to post first and second one both?
No, no, one
Combined.
by one. Post the first one. When you complete the first one, post it. Then when you complete the second one, post it. Like this, keep on doing
Sir,
it.
I posted first one.
Huh? Sorry? Post it to the first
Sir, I
one.
have posted first one.
Very good. Correct. Correct. Nihit. Correct. Sorry, correct. Very good. All of you. One. Correct. You all are right till now. Those who have done the first one, they can start doing the second.
Says mine is correct, Jay.
Jay, yours is correct.
Okay, sir.
Iram, you have not written the
Sir,
unit
have
in
you
the
checked
first
my
one.
second and third one?
Beta, I am checking all the answers one by one. Iram, you have not written the unit in the first one. 6 meters.
Okay, sir.
Aditya Kumar, first one correct.
Sir, please can you read the fourth question?
Read the fourth question. Find the capacity of a cuboidal box which has length of 5 centimeter, breadth of 4 centimeter, and height of 11 centimeter. Okay. The box is cuboid in shape.
Okay, sir.
Nihit, second one correct.
Yes, sir.
Apurva, second one correct. First one also correct. Jay, second one correct. Varun, second one correct. Shaurya, second one correct. This is one student has not written the name. I don't know who he is, but the third answer is correct. I don't know the name. I think it is Nihit. Nihit, third one is correct. Write your name.
Okay, sir.
Samrit, second is correct. Aditya, second is correct. Samar, second is correct. Samar, in the third one, you have not written the unit. Iram, second is correct. Samrit, the third one is correct. Jayesh, third one correct. Aditya, third one is not correct. Check the multiplication.
Okay, sir. Sir, okay, sir.
You have not written the unit also. Apurva, third one correct. Nihit, fourth one correct. Very good. Shaurya,
Correction.
third one correct. Samar, third one, fourth one correct, but you have not changed it in capacity. Okay, you have done it. Fine. Correct. Noel, first one correct, second one correct, third one unit is not correct. Noel. Noel, unit is not correct in the third one. Fourth one, 220 centimeter cube, and then capacity equal to 220 milliliter. That is correct.
Sir, is my third one correct?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, I can't understand the last question. Sir, how we have to do that?
Beta,
Yes,
in the
sir.
Sir,
last
I read the
question,
last question, please.
Sir,
don't
the
tell me.
division method is we cannot do it.
Sir, I know how to do this.
in the last
sir,
one,
Type of question.
it is there
Sir,
in
I
your
can understand the question, but the division is the problem.
division is the problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I cannot understand how will we get the question.
No problem.
Yes, sir. Same problem with me.
Find the answer in decimal.
Okay, sir.
You can't find the answer in decimal, all of you.
So we are doing finding the answer in decimal first time this way.
That is why I have given you a question like this. So you don't be afraid of finding your answer in decimal. Why do you think twice or thrice when you are getting an answer in decimal? Just be confident. Be confident that you know how to do it. You know the correct method. Okay. Samar, volume is 300 centimeter cube. Find the height. So height is equal to volume divided by L into B.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you have taught this in the class or
Exercises.
extra question.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can I show you something?
Wherein your video is off. Samrit, Star and Apurva.
Sir,
Mudit.
I can show you something. I am having a problem.
Yes.
Ma'am, sir, in this, I divide
Are you
72
showing
by,
it on your screen?
yes, sir.
Okay, just a
Sunita Baba.
second. Yeah.
So like I am dividing 72 by 300.
300 by
Sir,
72. So
yes, sir.
72
So, sir,
fours are 288, correct? Remainder is 12. So when you put a decimal, you
yes,
put
sir.
a
So I put a zero after
uh,
putting a point, but I need
uh,
a one more zero here. So I put zero in the
Why do you
quotient.
need one more zero? 120. You put 1 in
So
the
because
quotient.
70, so because 70, 72 multiplied by 2 is equals to
But why will
144.
you take 2? You take only 1. 72 into 1 is 72.
Okay, sir.
You will go only one time. And then when you get remainder, then
Okay,
in the
sir.
next step, you add one more zero. Okay.
In
Just
the
find your
quotient.
answer in two decimal places. No, no, not in the quotient. In the remainder, when you subtract 120 and 72, after subtracting 120 and 72, you will get remainder something, and then you will add another zero in the remainder in the next step, not in this step. Okay. So you will get your answer in two decimal places. Find your answer in two decimal places, all of you.
Sir, please
Sir, please can you show the last one?
Yes, 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 yes. Keep your videos on,
check my phone,
everyone.
ma'am.
Bachcho, Varin
Let
Goyal,
me
where
check
are
my
you? Are you
phone.
there or not, Varin? Are you sleeping? Samrid, start your video.
Yes, sir. I have started.
Any doubt, all of you? Is there any doubt?
Please can you show us how do we have to do the question 5?
Sir, there
Yes.
is more also.
Yes, I will give you more questions once you are done with these. Okay, everyone, those who are having problem in the fifth question, this is the solution. Question number 5. Volume of a cuboidal box is given. So write down the formula of volume. Volume is equal to L into B into H, length into breadth into height, volume of a cuboid.
Sir, I
Here-
get answer. Sir, the answer is 4.54.
Okay, 4.54.
Sir, please do not tell the answer I got. How to do.
You're finding it, okay.
Sir, 4.545.
Volume
please wait.
divided by...
not coming in decimal. Sir, but
Okay,
mine is not
okay.
coming in decimal.
I will wait for another 2 minutes. I will give you all a chance to do it on your own first. I'm waiting for 2 more minutes and then I will tell you. Okay. Sure, and Apurva, are you eating something? Summer? Varun?
Sir, I want to say that, sir, but my answer is not coming in decimal.
Sir, please check my answer.
Not coming in decimal.
No, sir.
So
Oh,
my answer is coming
Please check my
4.116, or you can say 4.17.
okay. I will just take it. Just wait.
Sir, I have 7.51.
Okay, I will check it.
Will sir h equals to 300 upon 12 multiply 5. Then sir it will be 12 5 is 60. Then sir we will cut 10 from 60 and 10 from 300. So sir it will become
The number is not 5, it's 6. The length is 6, not 5.
Correct, correct. You will get your answer in decimal only.
Sir, can you explain? Sir, mine is not coming in decimal.
Sir, please check
Can
my
I explain now, all of you? Can I explain the fifth one now?
Yes,
Sir, my answer is correct. Please check.
Beta, Jayesh, I'm doing it on the board. Okay?
Okay.
Check your answer.
Sir, my formula is different, sir. I have written.
I will just see it. I will just see it on the group. Wait for a minute. Okay, everyone ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at this. So the volume of the cuboid is given 300. We have to find the height. To find the height, we can make a formula: height equals to volume divided by L into B. Okay. So H is equal to, here we know the length and breadth. Volume is 300 and length is 6, breadth is 12. So if we multiply, we get 300 upon 72. We can divide 300 by 12. Am I right? Yeah. And we can divide 72 also by 12. So divide both the numerator and denominator by 12.
So we get answer 4.166.
Okay, 300 divided by
So
12.
my answer is correct. 4.166.
4.166.
4.166.
So or we can say it 4.17.
Just checking. 300 divided by 12. What is the quotient? If we divide 300 by 12, we get
Sir,
2.
sir, answer comes 4.166.
25
sir,
upon,
but why we divide by 12?
because 12 is the HCF.
Okay.
Okay, Iram. Fractions.
Sir, but we have to convert it into lowest number.
Without converting in lowest term also we can do it. No problem in
Sir,
that
I have a
also.
query.
Yes, Iram.
Sir, sir, what is the shortest method to calculate
Find
HCF of
HCF.
the number?
You just have to think that by which number we can divide, largest number by which we can divide. Even if you are not able to find the HCF, suppose
Sir, we can divide
you can do it. Let me speak. So you can do it in steps also. Suppose if you first divide by 4 and then later on you divide by 3, then also you will get 25 upon 6. Okay. It is not compulsory to straight away divide by 12. It is not compulsory to straight away divide by 12. You can do it in steps also. Iram, are you getting it?
Okay, sir.
First divide by 4, then divide by 3, or first divide by 3, then divide by 2, and again by 2. You will again, finally you will get 25 upon 6. Okay, and even if you are not changing in lowest term, if you divide directly 300 by 72, you will get the same answer.
Okay, sir.
So
Sir,
4.
but I am asking that what is the method sir, what is the
Shortest method to find the HCF. Beta, shortest method, there is no shortcut to find HCF. Actually, you have to think of numbers, the common factors of both the numbers. Okay, think of just common factors and then find out which is the largest common factor. Okay, you just have to think it in your mind, and with practice you will get it.
The way that we do.
With practice you will get it. Okay, Iram, I have good practice of mathematics. Daily I do practice 6 hours from 8:30 to 2:10 every
Okay,
day.
sir.
So I have very good practice of mathematics, so that is why I am able to do it orally. Okay.
I have sent it in the group.
So the answer will come 4.66. I've checked.
Okay, so everyone, we get 4 in the quotient and 1 is the remainder. Now, if you put a decimal, we can increase a 0 in the remainder. So 10, 6 ones are 6. Now the remainder is 4. So put a 0 because decimal is already written in the quotient. So we can simply add a 0 here. 6 sixes are 36. Remainder 4. So you keep your answer in 2 decimal places only. 4.16 centimeter is the answer. Okay. Got it, all of you? Or if you want, you can write your answer in mixed fraction also. If you write your answer in mixed fraction, then it will be 4 whole 1 upon 6 centimeters.
Sir, can you tell why we have add 0 in 10? Sir, in 1, sir, there is no decimal.
Beta, we have put a decimal here in the quotient, so we will increase a 0. Iram.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have sent my all answers together. Please check.
Okay, beta, just checking.
Sir, but I have a query.
Yes.
Sir, but why we put a decimal in the answer?
Because here we were not getting a remainder. We were not getting the remainder 0. When we don't get a remainder
sir.
0, we put a decimal and increase 0 in the remainder to divide it further. Okay. Iram, you have forgotten division in decimal. You have done division of decimal numbers in your chapter decimals. Iram, bhul gayi. You are getting decimals this term also.
Can I
This
please
term
check mine?
also. Yes, checking your answers. Jay. Correct. Yes.
Sir, my formula is correct.
Sir, please check
Formula is not written correctly. Just you have written L into B divided by volume. It is not correct. Just volume is divided by L into B, not L into B divided by volume.